Hello webmasters and internet marketers, welcome back to another episode from How to Webmaster. I have been using ChatGPT Plus account for several months now, and ChatGPT keeps getting better and better. At this time it has a built-in browse with Bing feature right here, and also plugins which I will show you in a later video. But with this built-in Bing feature, you are now able to tell ChatGPT to browse the web, research or search for new information about pretty much anything you want. At this time, right now it is July of 2023. I will tell ChatGPT to search on Bing and find me the top 5 newest games launching in the summer of 2023, and also find YouTube trailers for each of the game. And let's see how that goes. And if you wanted to make ChatGPT make it easy for you to copy and paste directly into WordPress or your CMS, you can tell it to write in HTML and include the YouTube video embed codes. So it'll look something like this, and then you paste it exactly like the code you see in the HTML editor in your WordPress, and then you will get a beautiful post like this right there. Okay, that's all for this video. Stay tuned for my future tips and tricks on using AI for webmastering and internet marketing. Thanks again for watching.